Mabuhay at magandang umaga mga kaagila. It is my heartfelt pleasure to welcome you all to this special Thanksgiving celebration. Cabanatuan City has been our home in the heart of Nueva Ecija for nearly 36 years. A home where Aguila Auto Glass has grown alongside the community, served generations of customers, and built lasting relationships. Our goal was simple: to provide quality auto glass products and services that customers could rely on. A commitment to service excellence, to customer safety, and to being part of a growing and supportive community.
Aguila Auto Glass on their 36th anniversary here in Cabanatuan.
The team's hard work and dedication to service excellence allows us to fulfill our mission to get customers back on the road swiftly and safely.
Isa po kayo sa mga negosyo na sumisigurado na meron pong dekalidad na produkto para sa ating mga mamimili and lumilikha po ng mga oportunidad para po sa mga manggagawa dito sa ating lalawigan.
As we celebrate today, we do so with humility and deep appreciation. Because for all of us at Aguila Auto Glass, every grand opening, every anniversary, and every Thanksgiving is a reminder that our true success lies not just in the years that we have served, but in the trust and reliability that we have earned. Thank you for being here. Thank you for your continued support. And here's to even more years of meaningful service and shared success with our Kaagilas in Cabanatuan and Nueva Ecija.
So thanks again everybody for coming, all of our partners, our guests from the bank, from DTI of course. Thanks again to our team, not just the team that manages the branch, but the team that put this event together.
Mabuhay at maraming salamat po.